Hi guys, this is Tammy and I am coming to you today from my kitchen because we got this NutriBullet system for Christmas. We've been using it and I wanted to give you a quick review. So this is the NutriBullet Triple Prep System. It's all in one. It does lots of different things and I'm going to explain really quickly why we like it. The reason we purchased it was because we wanted to save space. This is definitely one machine, does lots of different things and you don't have to have all the separate machines. So it definitely saves space in your kitchen. So let's get right to it. This is the pitcher, nice and big, very large. So drinks, gigantic smoothies, juices, whatever you want to make with it. This is the base right here, plugs into the wall. I'm going to go ahead and just put this on. Now, when you lock this into the base, you turn it on, you'll see a digital screen pop up and it will give you the options. So what it does is it detects whatever is in the base and those are the options it gives you. So it doesn't ask you if you want to chop, it asks you if you want to blend, which is kind of nice. So it's smart in the way that it works. So this is a large lid, it's got a pour spout here, and then of course you've got the opening there at the top if you want to add, smoothies, you're going to add fruit or whatever to that. Okay, it also comes with this to shove stuff down through the middle. So it also has the food processor. So this is what I was excited about because I have a little food processor and I needed something that was larger. So nice size food processor. It has the lid at the top and it has the different blades that can go on the inside, whether you're chopping, grating, slicing, whatever it is that you're doing. I will say there is a learning curve here. It took me a minute to figure out how to use all this stuff, lots of different attachments, but once you figure it out, it's really easy to use. So I did learn that you have to have the lid on this before it'll allow you to put it on the base. So we're going to put that lid on and we're going to lock it into place, locked into place, and then all of the options come up. So if you're going to make a dip, if you're working with dough, if you're chopping, those are the options that come up. It also has an option to choose your own. So if you just want to grind or chop and you don't want it to smart sense and do it for you, there is a low, medium, and high. Like the other day I made a smoothie, I just wanted to blend it really fast and I just pressed medium, blended it, and then I stopped it. Or you can press the smoothie button on there and it does it for you. It'll blend and then stop, kind of senses what's in there, what's left, what needs to continue to be chopped, and it will continue until it's complete. So you can either think about it or you can walk away and let the NutriBullet do it for you. So it also comes with the single serving cups rather. This is the base for them. This fits right into the top of the cup. Fill that cup with whatever it is that you want to mix. And let's see, this thing. Oh well, I'm not gonna fidget with it, but this screws right on the top. You press the button for whatever it is that you're making and it mixes right in the cup. Take it off, take this back off, and you're good to go with your smoothie. So also comes with the lids for those smoothie cups. So do I love it? I love it. It's a good space saver. It does its job. It's got the smart operations for you to set it, walk away. It also has the manual where you can press medium and grind up whatever you want and do it yourself. There is a learning curve, so be ready for that. There's a manual. I had to read it a couple of times because there are so many moving parts here and there are safety features that NutriBullet has put into place. It's very, very safe. Let me just give it to you that way. Very safe. The only other negative that I would have for this system is if you want something tiny chopped. The other day I was working with garlic and I needed just a little garlic cloves minced. This is a really big food processor. So I grabbed my small one out of the cabinet and used the very small one to do the small items. That would be the only reason why this would not be the right choice for you, depending on what you do with your food processor. So anyway, thank you so much for listening, and hope you have more information to choose your product. Thanks.